Hello and welcome to UKHelix. We are screw pile experts supporting construction across the UK. We design, supply and install screw pile foundations. And we sell specialist machinery too. Our goal? Faster, cleaner foundations with reduced concrete, less spoil and dramatically shorter build times. With a warehouse in mid-Sussex and direct finished factory support, we deliver stock products in 2 to 3 days across the UK. You'll always get expert advice, quality machinery and personal service. From BESS projects to tree protection orders. From civil engineering to residential builds. To solar projects and so much more. UKHelix helps you build better, faster. Have you got a project in mind? Let's start a conversation.